Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to reset your Gmail password. So let's get started. At first let's get into Gmail app. Now enter your email address and click on next. Now enter forgot password. Now click on send to get the verification code here. And now click on update password. Now we can create new password and confirm your password and click on save password and change password. Now click on agree. So now we are in Gmail interface. So this is all we need to do to reset our Gmail password. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.